we arrived in Korea about 3 hours ago without any kind of plan of where we were going or where we were staying. So to buy us some time and to get some sleep, we rented a capsule hotel here at Incheon Airport, and we have about 15 minutes left. I think EJ just found us an Airbnb that we could rent for the week.
That's pretty nice.
They'll pick you up from the airport. Oh, and a pocket Wi-Fi.
Alright, let's just do it.
Alright.
Cabin crew, you have arrived.
So we are here in Korea. This is actually a brand new Airbnb. It just got posted. It's 3 stories. It's really cute. It's in Hongdae. One of my worries was the floor is like tile. So I didn't want Chloe to fall, but I wanted her to have space to crawl around. And this really isn't crawling friendly. It's very tall, but it's not wide. But the Airbnb host has been amazing. When we got here, like, they had everything ready for us, and then Airbnb guy knew that I wanted her to crawl around, so then he showed us how to open the couches, and then basically he made it a huge playpen for her to crawl around in, and it's been working out perfectly because then we just kind of hang out on the couch, we sleep on the couch, we don't use the beds at all. I don't know, I like it. Hi. It's snowing? Is it snowing? Hands up, whoa! Look, Chloe. First snow, baby. I saw you pointing.
Hi, friends.
Hi. We are snowed in a little bit. Look at that. So much snow. EJ only has slippers, so he can't go anywhere because the stairs are also extremely slippery. And we don't want to fall, especially holding Chloe, because look how open it is. So we don't know what to do, but it's really pretty. Since we are snowed in, we ordered some lunch to be delivered to the house while we wait for our host to send someone over to defrost our stairs.
So we got tofu soup, bibimbap, something that's really good. Korean version of miso, kimchi, sausage, you good. Rice and seaweed, the bangers.
So after a couple of hours of having a chill day and hanging out, our host let us know that somebody came by to defrost the stairs and we should be good to go to explore and get some dinner. Hi, Chloe. December 19, 2017. This was mine and EJ's first time visiting South Korea and our first time putting a love lock up at the Seoul Tower.
Oh, I'm already messed up. I thought
We found our love lock based off of this picture. See, here's this one. These three. Pretty OPPA is right there. And then this nasty one is ours. This time we didn't get another love lock, but we did take a picture to add to the photo wall. Since the last lock didn't weather too well, this time I had a lock made for our little crew with a plan to attach our new lock to our first lock. But sadly, things didn't go as planned.
We put a lock over there.
So we're here at Namsan Tower. EJ and I put a lock up here, I think in like 2017 or something. We went and visited it like 2 years ago and we found it. And so we came to bring a love lock and connect it to one that we made for Chloe. But they replaced everything with glass. And the locks are gone. So EJ's trying to ask, using Google Translate to ask to see if there's a specific area that it got moved to or if it's just a goner. I think it's just a goner because there was a lot of locks up here. So apparently what happened was that the original gate that our locks were on, the gate fell down because it was so heavy and probably the wind and snow and everything. So, oh, it must be downstairs. So yeah, that one's gone and I'm so bummed. We had this made and engraved because the last time we did one of these, it turned black. When we visited it, it was so grimy. But now we have, this is EJ, Leisha, and Chloe. And then Kruger Ohana. And then this is our trip this year. Tokyo, Singapore. It says Shanghai. We couldn't go to Shanghai, so we went to Thailand and Seoul. That's for you, baby. I got this for you. We're on our way to Mono Labs to do Chloe's passport. Same place that we did our passport whenever we came here last. I'm super excited to make Chloe a passport holder in the exact same place that EJ and I made ours just before our wedding. But since we're only making one this time around, EJ and I are going to switch off from holding Chloe and making the passport holder. Our friends Todd, Bowman, and their son Brody came to visit us this weekend. They live here in Korea, but since we have the extra room, we asked them if they wanted to come down, stay with us, and hang out for the weekend.
Why you want to go back there?
We out here in the streets of Hong Sunday. Getting a burger? No, hot dog. The rest of us all got the same thing. Brody! Brody, is that you? Is that you, Brody?
Just a side note, if you couldn't already tell, traveling to Asia with babies is literally the best. They love them there. They're more than willing to take them out of your hands and entertain them while you enjoy your food and some drinks. We've experienced this in every single Asian country that we've traveled to with Chloe so far, and it's been amazing.
It's our Thanksgiving dinner. We're having a feast. An Italian food.
Chloe. Hi, baby.
You love it? Yay! Hands up! Hands up!
Hey.
Cabin crew, you have arrived.